1 minus 8 divided by 2, then times this parentheses, and inside this parentheses we have 2 plus 2. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. Here we have 2 plus 2, which gives us just 4. So 2 times 4, which equals 8, and 8 divided by this, which equals just 1. So 1 minus this, that means 1 minus 1, and this is just 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here in this expression we have 1 subtraction, 1 division, 1 multiplication, and 1 parenthesis. First we have to do this parenthesis, and after this parenthesis we have to do this division, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. So after this parenthesis we have to do this division, not this multiplication, because division and multiplication have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So the correct path is after this parenthesis we have to do this division, not this multiplication. Okay? So first 2 plus 2, which gives us 4. So 1 minus 8 divided by 2, then times 4. Now we have 1 subtraction, 1 division, and 1 multiplication. Multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction. In PEMDAS, multiplication and division come before subtraction. So, and also multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first 8 divided by 2, which gives us just 4. So 1 minus 4 times 4. No, we have to do this multiplication. 4 times 4 gives us 16. So 1 minus 16, which equals negative 15. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 15.